Jones is a hardworking man in Addis Ababa. Every evening, he enjoys spicy meat and salty snacks. But one day something changed. He felt dizzy. His heart raced. The doctor said, "You have high blood pressure. Do I have to stop eating Ethiopian food forever?" Well, come to B2 Malt Nutrition System channel. High blood pressure means your blood is pushing too hard inside your body. It can damage your heart, kidneys, and brain. The problem is not Ethiopian food. The problem is too much salt, oil, and fatty meat. You don't need to stop eating Ethiopian food. You just need to eat smarter. Injera made from Teff is very healthy. It helps your heart and digestion. Shiro is simple and powerful. Low fat, high protein, very healthy. Vegetables are your strongest medicine. Reduce fatty and salty foods like tibs and kitfo. Drink water. Walk daily. Reduce salt. Jones changed his life. Now he feels strong, healthy, and full of energy. Are you eating for today or for your future? Start now. Your health is in your hands. We will be back with more amazing nutritional information in the next video. Until then, stay healthy. Goodbye.